But in reality, they kind of have given us the date in what they said. It was a pretty brief 3-line statement that came out last night. They said election 2024 is on the cards. It is definitely going to be before Christmas. That's what they had agreed. And they also had agreed that the finance bill and passing it was their priority, and that is still going to go to committee stage on November 5th. So you read between the tea leaves there, it goes on the 5th, it could be passed in the Dáil, or the 6th or 7th, and they're going to call it then on the 7th or 8th of November. And that gives us, bang, 2 straight dates for the general election, because it has to be a 3 or 4 week campaign under law. So it's either going to be November the 29th or December the 6th. Speaking to people in government last night, they think the 29th is more likely, even though it's a bit of a tighter time frame for them to get some of their other bits done, like new housing targets and revised estimates passed in the Dáil, because December 6th is just not a fantastic date. Not as it's only late toy show night, it's also the night of many Christmas parties and everything else going on. And also, who really wants to be talking to politicians in the run into December? Not a huge amount of people. So November 29th seems like the more likely, although speaking to people in Fianna Fáil and the Greens, both of them still suspect there is a surprise or a solo run or something like that in Simon Harris just to catch everybody off guard. But they said finance bill is the priority. Friday is going to be the likely day of it, and that leaves us most likely the 29th.